The name of the building where you can borrow books?
What century are we living in now?
What electronic device wakes you up in the morning?
What is the table that lists chemical elements in order of atomic numbers in rows and columns?
Which part of your leg can make it possible to bend?
What is opposite of artificial?
Where would you go to see an exhibition of sculpture?
What's the joint called where your hand is connected to your arm?
The phrase used to describe the way that repeatedly increases and decreases or rises and falls. Which ocean is located on the west of the U.S.?